Okay, this vlog is going to have nothing to do with motorcycles. Zero. I've been gone for 2 weeks from Cape Town. Met with Meredith. I came to a wedding celebration of my friend Michael, who's sitting right next to me.
Hello there.
And Frauke.
Hello, hello. Frauke here.
Oh, it's out of focus. And going to take the flight to Frankfurt, Frankfurt to Buenos Aires. Decided not to go to Australia because it was too expensive. So here we go.
Wedding Airlines.
Doing it right again. Alright, so here's the situation. There's no motorcycling in this vlog, so if you don't want to watch it, stop down. I should stop eating. Did a 2-week stop in Switzerland to pick up some equipment, to meet Meredith and see my friends get married. Now I'm on my way from Zurich to Frankfurt and I'm heading towards Buenos Aires. Now here's the thing. I do have a lot of miles because I worked many years and used credit cards. I love airplanes, I love flying, I'm a pilot, and this is a dream ticket. The ticket was cheap enough and it was a really long flight that goes through Frankfurt and I get to see the first class terminal. Let's check this out, I'm so excited. Let's go get on the first flight. Thank you.
Drive with me to the A area and then you must go to the outside parking area.
Thank you.
Okay.
Where are you traveling to?
I'm going to Buenos Aires.
Buenos Aires, okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry if I'm filming. Ride to the terminal. Flight number 1, finished. This is our guy. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Well, that was pretty awesome. S500 ride from the plane. So now, it's a different terminal. We have to walk over to the departures terminal. Been waiting a long time for this. First class terminal. Let's go inside, get weird. Hello. Not this, no, I've not. I'm very excited about it though.
Inside you might take it over.
Sure.
Hello.
So let me tell you about it. The bar, Aces. They have a smoking cigar lounge, which I'm not gonna use. They have nap rooms, and they have a full restaurant here. It's Aces, I'll try and get some on film. So we have a bar over here. Restaurant back there. Bathrooms over there. Second hour. Aces. Okay, so one of my favorite things to do in the world when in an airport lounge is to take a shower. Lufthansa first class terminal, taking it to another level. Check this thing out. So you have a nice sink, shower. And the crown jewel of this all is A, how big this is, but B, there's a bathtub. You can take a bath in the Lufthansa first class terminal. Rubber ducky. Little piece of advice when you're traveling in first class lounges, clean up after yourself. Wipe down the floor and put your towels in a pile. Another human being has to clean up.
14 hours, yeah?
Yeah. Oh man, 14 hours. It was very nice. But now can it be nice?
Passport control. My colleague would like to have a short view on the boarding pass, please. Okay. I wish you a pleasant flight.
Thank you so
See you
much.
soon.
Thank you
All the
so
best.
much.
Bye-bye.
Cheers. It's getting serious. Waiting. That's me. Oh. Thank you for having me. Hello. Thank you so much. Yeah. This is my car? Yes. It's just me? Yes, just you. No location. Thank you. In the Mercedes, on the way to the airplane. This is how I do it every time. Well, maybe just this time, but whatever. I got dropped off at the airplane. Which airplane is it? That one's my airplane? Okay. I'm riding on that airplane. 14 hours.
Mr. Kruger, come on,
Hello.
Yeah, hello, welcome on board.
Thank you very much.
On the other side to your left.
Thank you.
Alles okay.
Bueno, te voy a decir cómo y Marcial.
Es el 10% de esto.
Sí, ya está.
Okay, so I made it aboard Lufthansa. This is what they call the front. Is there anyone in here? No. This is the seat. I can't reach. I can't reach that. I almost reach it. These are the seats. So big in here. And these are my friends. Argentinos, see? So stoked. Lufthansa. Been waiting for this for a while. What are they saying? You need a shoulder belt up in the front. Is it dangerous up here? If we bump into someone, we're dead. Take off. Bye-bye Frankfurt. Bye-bye Europe. Hello South America. We just took off and it's silent up here. You can't hear anything. It is so quiet. The nose of the airplane. Hello, hello, hello. It's the famous caviar and vodka. Pigged out in the lounge, so I can't eat anything, but you gotta have caviar. Off our bathroom. It's got a window. We're putting on some pajamas. Stand by. Alright, let's go to sleep. Guten Morgen. 10 hours of sleep on an airplane. It's solid. It's time for breakfast. They're taking pictures in first class. What's going on here?
That's the German.
Oh look, the sun's coming up.
Maybe I'll get to do this again. The crew gave me something special. They made me a card because they heard that I'm traveling around the world. Look, there's other people taking selfies in here. He's got white pants on. I'm a huge fan of white pants, but usually on girls. White pants. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Dankeschön.
Ja,
Thank you.
Wiedersehen.
Thank you very much.
Ja, ja, ja. Bye-bye.
Ciao. Bis zum nächsten Mal.
La cinta número 8.
Okay.
Danke.
Gracias. Cintura número 8.
Lufthansa. Lufthansa. So I made it to Buenos Aires. Review of the Lufthansa flight. So first class lounge, Zurich, under construction, not so great. First class flight, it's an economy seat with no one in the middle. Arrival into Frankfurt, aces. Picked up at the airport by the S500, driven to the private terminal. Private terminal, took a bath, I mean, you can't complain about that. On board, aces. The people were so nice. Bedding was perfect. Down mattress liner, down duvet, killer pillows, pajamas, which I kept and I'm going to sleep in every night for the rest of my life. You're up front of the 747-800, which means it's absolutely silent because you're a quarter mile in front of the engines. It's funny, you can hear the pilots walking around upstairs. Arrival, excellent. And then when I got through the hour-and-a-half wait in immigration, there's people waiting for me with my luggage on a cart with my name on it. Lufthansa, aces. Wait till I save another 100,000 miles to ride you again. Until then, I'm waiting 10 days, Buenos Aires for my bike. See if we can go have some fun. The crew, including the captain, signed a little card and took a picture of me, and they put an Aladdin quote on it. Check it out. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. A whole new world with new belongings to pursue, a whole new world, that's where we will be. Happy that you shared your whole new world with us. Your Lufthansa crew. So nice. Thank you so much, Lufthansa. Till next time.